How to reduce video file size on an iPhone. Well, if you want to reduce video file size on an iPhone, you want to first open up settings. Once you open up settings, what you want to do is you want to head over to the camera option here below accessibility. Then under camera, you can see record video option. You're going to tap on it. Now you can choose reduce the video size. So you can see a minute of video will be approximately 40 MB with 720p HD at 30 FPS space saver, 60 MB with 1080p here, so you can read it here, all of it. Now what you also want to do is you want to disable the HDR video. That will reduce the video size as well. So if you want 1080p at 30 FPS, that will be quite storage saving as well, so you can check it out from here. This is how you can easily record the video in a lower size, and you can see the formats option. You can see formats option, camera capture. You want to set it to most compatible as well. That way the size will be reduced as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.